I am naming the edges like A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash, where the section plane is cutting the solid at the edges. Okay, so similarly I will mark these points A, B, C, D and E in the top view also. Okay, so suppose this is your edge A, this is your edge B and E, and this is your edge C and D, and wherever the section plane is cutting these edges A, B, C, D, E, uh, uh, so these points I am naming accordingly: A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and in the top view A, B, C, D and E. So in this, this is how your front view and top view is completed. After cutting the solid, you have to remove the part which is nearer to you, and this part is nearer to you when you see it from the top. So this part you have to make with the help of 2H pencil, and this part you have to make it with the help of HB pencil. And in the top view, because it is cutting all the edges of the solid, the whole part is cut out, so the from the top view it will look like exactly the way it is look like just right now. Okay, so after that you have to make the side view. So as I told you, side view can be on this side also and this side also, um, of the front view, depending upon from where you are looking at the solid. If you look at the solid from here, your side view will be on this side of the front view. If you look the solid at from the from this side, your side view will be on this side of the front view. So suppose you are looking the solid at from this side, so the same way, I as I told you, you can draw a line like this, and from all the points you have to uh, make the projectors like this. After doing that, you have to make the line at 45 degree, and from this point you have to draw a vertical line like this, and from these points you have to uh, draw the projectors like this. Or in the other way, how you can draw the side view, you can also draw a line at 45 degree from the XY line. After that, you can draw the projectors up to this line. Earlier you are making the projectors up to this line. If you draw the line at the 45 degree, you have to uh, draw the projectors up to this line. And after that, uh, wherever you are getting the points, from that point you have to make the vertical line like this, and horizontal line from the front view. So this is your point E, and this is your point E. So wherever the projectors are cutting, you will get the point E. Similarly, from the point D, this is your line, and from D, this is your line. So this is your point D. The similar way you can get the all the points. Okay, you are looking from the here. So which portion of the solid will be visible to you? So of course, this part, this edge will be visible to you. Okay, uh, and from top view you can see this point E and point B. If you look the solid from this side, your edge E and B will be also be visible to you, and the edge D and C is uh, at the back side of the solid, so these two edges will not be visible to you. Okay, so accordingly I am making the side view. This side edge E, B and A will be visible to you, and your age D and